another package. It's from Find Your Rare on the TikTok shop, or they have a regular website too, I believe. So I had ordered some crystals and stuff from them before, and a bunch of the stuff came broken. So give me a second, my brother is talking. Okay, it stopped filming again, so yay. But what I had said was that my first order came broken, so they sent me the same thing again, just to, I don't know, to make it right, I guess, is what they said. I even got this $5 like gift thing, these cute little stickers. I love this cat. If you know me, you know I love cats. Here is a QR code for their store. I really liked everything I received the last time. It's just a lot of it was broken, which obviously upset me. And they left me this little note that says, "Hi there, thank you again for your valuable feedback. We have made some changes and can't wait to hear what you think." And what I had ordered was this like pack that comes with this mystery crystal confetti mix and tarot cards. It even has this little chart to help you figure out your tarot card message. And here is this with another QR code. And there was another thing in here for a friendship bracelet swap. So there's a QR code for that as well. And then here's some information about it. Okay, now we're gonna get into this. I love how the cards are packaged with the little wax seal. They're so pretty, I like almost don't want to take it off. Well, that came off perfectly. I can even keep that. Okay. Jesus. Okay, I got the Four of Pentacles. It took me forever to read through this the last time because I'm like blind. Okay. Pentacles and then 4. It means control, security, possession, and conservation. Not sure what that means, but the card is cool. Gonna set that up here and open the next one. Maybe this one will just come off too. Maybe, maybe not. Hello? Ta-da! Okay. This card. Oh, this one has 2. Okay, it's got this one and the Queen of Junk. I don't know what this means, but if it's telling me that I am a hoarder, I already know that. Wow, okay. Okay, right here. Okay, I found where it says Queen, but I'm not, I don't know which one it is. I'm trying. We'll just skip it and go to these ones, see if I can figure this one out. I think the tarot cards are fun and all, but I do not know what they mean. I have tried to learn them, but it's just too hard for me. Okay, so I cannot figure either of these ones out. So I don't know if you can like flip this image or if anyone just knows. But there's this one and this one. So if you guys know what these mean, it'd be cool if you could let me know. Is this one of the cups? Maybe? And I think that number is that 5? I don't know my Roman numerals. Ziggy, what Roman numeral is 5?
5 is represented as V in Roman numerals.
Okay, so it's not 5. Ziggy, what oh my gosh. Ziggy, what Roman numeral is IV?
According to an Alexa Answers contributor, IIV is not a valid Roman numeral. However, IV would equal 4 in Roman numerals.
Okay, it's a 4. Thank you. So, if it's cups and it's 4, it means contemplation, apathy, re-evolution, and discontent. I don't know if that's good or bad. And this one, I have no idea what the Queen of Junk would be. Because like I said, I found the queens, but I'm not sure. Maybe it's cups. Maybe that's why there was an extra one thrown in there. If it's cups, it's compassion, care, intuition, emotional balance. That doesn't seem to match what this card looks like. I do love this though. I'm gonna take it to Mina's. I'm a hoarder. Okay, I paused it just to see if it would save the recording, and it did. And oh, I hope I don't have to do this in 2 parts. But time for the crystals, which is my favorite part. Seems to be packaged really well this time. Oh, and another free gift. Wow. It's got this. I'll turn it around. It's selenite. Selenite. I'm bad at the names, but this looks really cool. I like that. And it's got this card that says the name of it and love and creativity. I'm assuming that's what it means. And it says what it looks like, the appearance, a transparent, fibrous, lustrous gypsum. It's associated with the astrological sign of Cancer, especially lucky when worn on a Monday. I'm not a Cancer, but the history and lore. Selenite derives its name from the Greek selene, meaning moon, and lithos, meaning stone, as its soft luster is suggestive of moonlight. A 17th century Welsh text tells of a belief that this gem originated from the moon, flung down to earth by beings known as selenites or lunary men. It's used to attract love and invite harmony, especially in romantic relationships. It enhances the power of imagination, promotes tranquility, and offers spiritual rejuvenation. Selenite cleanses and amplifies the energies of other stones. Neat. Kind of worrisome that it is supposed to be good for relationships, because the last tarot card I got said that I would either be getting married or getting in a new relationship. I'm hoping for the first one, because I don't want a new relationship, but maybe this will help. Okay, I'm gonna go to the next part, sorry. Okay, I'm back for the crystals. And this is packaged really well. It's got this little ball, if I can open it. You didn't see that. It's got these little crystals in it. It's super pretty. I'm gonna turn the camera around. It's so pretty, especially in this light. Ignore my nails. Okay. Now we're going to open this bag. Then I'm gonna have to put them all back in the bag, but we're gonna open it anyway. If I can. There's another little jar. I'm just going to turn the camera around for this because you have to have the flash on them. This is so pretty and shiny. This one. Is this moss agate? It looks like moss agate. How did they know that oh my god, I can't talk. How did they know that moss agate is my favorite? If this isn't moss agate, I'm going to sound like an idiot. But that is so freaking pretty. Okay, we're gonna look at these big ones first. That little splash of red. My phone is glitching out. It better be recording. Okay, it's still recording. I don't know why it's being weird, but oh, that's cool. Don't judge me for not knowing all of the names. I'm bad at remembering names, but oh my god, this is so sparkly. What the heck? Wow. These are all so pretty. Just so you know, the whole rest of this video is just going to be looking at these crystals. So if you get bored easily or you just don't like crystals, then I wouldn't watch. That's cool. It looks like a little coffee stain. Gotta do this black one. Is this obsidian or onyx? I know that the black ones are usually one of those. And I hope that this recording doesn't glitch out as much watching it as it is recording it. This one looks super cool. I really like this like grayish bluish stripe down the middle, or not middle, but whatever. It looks super cool. Is this adventurine or green adventurine? I think so, because I think I have one that looks just like this, and I'm pretty sure I was told it was green adventurine. And then all these like clear looking ones, I'm pretty sure are just quartz, and there's quite a few of them. Some of them are hard to tell, but I'm pretty sure this one is rose quartz, because I don't know if you can tell in the video, but it looks like it has more of a pink tint to it. Here's a bigger one. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but this one does have like a little pink tint to it. This one's cool. Oh, is it blue? it looks black, but in the light it looks blue. That's cool. Wow. This one's cool. Anyone know what crystal this one is? I like that one. I mean, I like all of them. They're all gorgeous. I wish I had like a different flashlight other than just the one on my phone. Probably should have one, but this is really, it's really smooth. But it's really pretty. So is this one. Wow. What is this one? I love this one. I want like a big version of this one. Let's put on a necklace or something. Here's a little tiger's eye. See, I know that one. I may only know it primarily from Patricia because it's her favorite and she mentions it all the time. But hey, I remembered. This blue one is gorgeous. Oh, is this one another moss agate? Oh, I love it. I probably won't show you guys all of these tiny ones just because it's going to take more than 10 minutes to show you guys all these tiny ones. Oh, I really love this one. I know I've said that a bunch already, but they're just all so pretty. Even these quartz ones, like, they're plain, but they all look different and they're all so pretty. Ooh, what's this orange one? This one's really pretty. Oh, I like this one. I'm gonna have to add these to my snake shelf. I posted a video the other day of all my crystals. But all these little ones I've been stacking on my little snake shelf. So these will definitely help fill that up. So definitely buy from here, guys. Their stuff was really well packaged this time, and they did say in their note that they are working on sending out packages like this now. So I don't think you should have to worry about anything coming broken. And the crystals are really pretty. And I loved my package the first time too. The only problem the first time is it was kind of poorly packaged. So these vials, most of them came like shattered. But like I said, they have fixed their shipping. So I would definitely, if you're new to crystals and just want to get some, or you just like crystals in general and just want a bunch of little baby crystals, then yeah, definitely buy from them. Okay, well, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video so you don't have to just sit here and watch me put crystals in a bag. So let me know if you know what this card is. So I am going to be doing one more video tonight, but it's books, so if you don't like books, don't watch it. Thanks.